Yeah, here go my room at the Showboat. It's not that bad, not that bad. This the little living room area. I'm just gonna run through this real fast. You know, the dining. I guess it's the dining room area. You can call that the dining room area. Little got the microwave. Up in here, it's a little refrigerator right there, and then some microwave right here. Just looking right here to the balcony. You get to the balcony right here. It's got a little sitting area right here. Hey, Stink. Yeah, so come through here. It's a little bathroom right here. Bathroom, the bathroom. Got a little toilet. Come through here. This is a little closet right there. This the main bathroom right here. Got 2 sinks. Come with towels and all that. The shower. And there, that's the toilet up in there. Got the jacuzzi tub. Little sitting area right here. Yeah, the bed right there. And with the balcony. Yeah, this is the balcony. The balcony wraps around, so it wraps around. Got the beach right there. Everything, the boardwalk, all that. So that's the room.